Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Prachur Banerjee and you are watching Auto Mania. Guys, we are back at Vision Honda Durgapur on this occasion of Rakhi today. Well, for what? Because they are conducting a very special woman empowerment ride. So we are gonna have a very special day today. We're gonna cover that event from Auto Mania, and let's get started with the video. So guys, these ladies are all ready for going out for a ride, and it's a very special ride, a ride for a cause, the a right to empower women, guys. That's a great initiative taken up by Vision Honda Durgapur. Guys, if you are interested in any kind of Honda motorcycles or scooters or any other offerings, you can visit Vision Honda Durgapur and you can show that you are a subscriber of Auto Mania. I think that would help you get some exciting new offers. So guys, I got a bit late catching up the rally because I'm the only one-man army, guys. The packing करने में थोड़ा late हो गया. So they just left 2-3 minutes before me. Girls riding together, and that too for a woman empowerment ride. So guys, it's really nice to see this kind of approach being taken by the newer generations of people, just to empower women and show them, yes, if guys can, even you can. So I salute their initiative, their idea of saying the woman that yes, you girls are the best. And on the occasion of Rakhi, because it's a very special day for all the girls around the world, especially for us Indians, it's a very special way to say our sisters that yes, you are really special. What better way than this, than organizing a ride for women? Like, it's a very rare thing in Indian conditions that women going out for rides. So well, he's another YouTuber who is covering this event. Guys, it's a very rare sight in Durgapur, especially women riders coming together. I think they must come forward and make another. I think they must come forward and make a woman riders group. Won't that be interesting, guys? I think yes. And guys, I'm saying once again, if you are in Durgapur and planning for any kind of Honda offerings in two-wheeler segment, don't forget to visit Vision Honda Durgapur. As you can see, they are providing some loan come exchange mela, and even you can get special discount if you are a subscriber of Auto Mania. to all the brothers and sisters of mine who are subscribers of Automania or whoever is seeing this video, wish you a very happy Rakhi, guys. I know you'll be watching this video one day after Rakhi, still belated happy Rakhi. I'm sure you all guys had a great Sunday. Having Rakhi on Sunday is another special thing because you get all the leaves together. It's a holiday, plus you get your families to come together and celebrate the day. So that's an awesome, I'm sure you guys spent an awesome day yesterday. And this is how I'm spending my Rakhi. Because everybody in front of me, they are like my sisters, and going out with a ride with them on this very special day, it's a very special thing for me because I have been going for rides for many years now, and so that was a different kind of ride with guys and all. But this initiative with all women ride and covering this ride, it's a really special thing for me. I thank Vision Honda for giving me this opportunity and this respect that they thought I'm eligible enough to cover this event for them. I really thank Agni, who is a very friend of mine and the owner of the Vision Honda Durgapur showroom. By the way, if you are in Panagar, we also have Vision Honda over there. So in Panagar, any guys from Panagar, you can also reach out to Vision Honda in Panagar. It's another branch of the showroom that's present in Durgapur city center. Okay guys, this guy is making RCV vlogs. So if you are one of those guys who loves traveling and motor vlogging, do follow him. I'll give the link in the description box down below.
Budget traveling.
Yeah, budget traveling. ठीक है, अगर आपको traveling करना है in budget, this is a guy for you. And I'm sure you will be liking his vlogs. Do follow it.
Upcoming बहुत सारे trips आ रहे हैं, stay tuned.
Yeah, there will be many trips coming in future. That's what he's trying to say. Stay tuned guys and follow to RCB vlogs. Guys, this short ride is coming to an end, and I did love it. I did enjoy it. It's a very special feeling, gifting the sisters a very special ride. I know for many of them it might be their first ride ever in a group, so it's a very special feeling. And let me know in the comment section down below, how did you feel about this ride, the woman empowerment ride? How was the concept? And should it be followed by other companies as well? So guys, the girls are here back to the showroom, and well, that's Vision Honda. Let me know guys in the comment section down below, how did you like this ride? So guys, we are done with the ride, and I'm very hungry guys. I'm very hungry. So we have been taken to the Take nearby, and we'll be having some food over there. So I'll catch you after the lunch. So that's the new restaurant. guys, I've never done it before. मैंने ऐसा फूड ब्लॉगिंग या फिर ऐसा कुछ कभी नहीं किया, पहले अटेम्प्ट है. आई नो इट्स नॉट गोइंग राइट एंड दिस इज RCB व्लॉग्स.
मैंने पहले किया हुआ है.
इसने किया ऑलरेडी पहले, बहुत किया एक्चुअली.
वेल एक्सपीरियंस नहीं बोलूँगा, बट समहाउ आता है,
मैनेज कर लेता है.
मैनेज कर लेता है.
मैनेज कर लेता है. लेकिन यार मेरा ये पहले बार है. आई एम कभी टेक्निकल रिव्यूज. हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल. दिस बाइक कम्स विद 350cc इंजन विद 25 हॉर्सेस. आई कैन डू दैट नाइसली, बट फूड ब्लॉगिंग थोड़ा डाउट है लाइफ स्टाइल ब्लॉग में. बट ठीक है, ट्राई करते हैं. एंड आई एम स्टिल वेटिंग फॉर माई फूड टू कम. यहाँ पे सब खाना खा रहे हैं, सबको मिल गया.
आपको छोड़ के
यहाँ पे सबको खाना मिल गया गाइस, मुझे छोड़ के. आई एम वेटिंग. फाइनली माई फूड इज हियर गाइस. बहुत भूख लग गया, चलिए खाना खाते. आ गया मेरा दूसरा डिश. यार बहुत भूख लगा है, डोंट माइंड, मैं थोड़ा ज़्यादा खा लेता हूँ.
ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. खाना अपना अपना जगह सबसे.
हाँ एकदम भाई, खाने पे एकदम नज़र मत डालो भाई. जब खाना बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. और अगर आपको अच्छा खाना खाना है और आप सिटी सेंटर में हो, यू कैन विजिट द न्यू टेक, राइट? इट्स अ न्यू टेक जस्ट बिसाइड द कैफेटेरिया. इन द कैफेटेरिया, ओके, दिस इज द कैफेटेरिया सेक्शन.
रिलेटेड जैसा कोई लाइट आइटम्स खाना सब यहाँ पे.
एग्जैक्टली.
अगर कोई एकदम हेवी अच्छा खासा ग्रेवी वाला आइटम
तब तो वहाँ जाना है. हाँ. सो दिस इज़ अ गुलाब जामुन केक गाइस. सो फिर आप लोग सोच रहे हैं ये लड़का कितना खाता है. चलो कोई नहीं, खाना भी चाहिए. सो लेट्स सी ये कैसा लगता है. टेस्ट आई विल से यू आफ्टर दिस. ऑल्दो आई एम नॉट अ फूडी गाई, तो मुझे उतना नहीं पता है अबाउट द फूड, बट स्टिल ट्राई करके देखते हैं. व्हाट से गाइस. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद दिस फूड. खा के देखते हैं गाइस. गाइस फूड बहुत ही अच्छा था यार, मेरा तो पेट भर गया यार. आई थैंक विजन होंडा फॉर द अमेजिंग फूड दे ऑफर्ड. एंड इफ यू लाइक द फूड विच आई शोड यू, एंड इफ यू लाइक द एम्बियंस, यू कैन जस्ट चेक इट आउट. It's in just beside the Vision Honda Durgapur. It's a new take offering from the same group actually, and that's a cafeteria from Take. So if you like it, the link is given in the description box down below. You can visit and try their food. Well, I'm not a foodie by any means, so I'm not giving any lecture on food. But one thing for sure, the food was really nice. इतना तो समझ में आता है भाई, खाना बहुत ही बढ़िया था. And talking about the event, it was a very nice one, a cute little one. It was for empowering the woman that even they can ride and take the responsibilities. This is a Rakhi. Today is a very special day for all the women and girls around the world, all the Indian girls especially. Okay, because it's about brothers and sisters, the bond which they follow. It was a small thing done by Vision Honda for the sisters, and I think that's a great initiative, guys. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section down below. And on that note, it's time to end the video. Let me know how did you like today's vlog. Was it interesting enough? And did you like this concept of woman empowerment, right? So I'll see you in some other videos with some technical or some ride reviews or some bike reviews. Till then, as I always say, wear your helmets while riding, wear your seat belts while driving, and never drink and drive. This is Prashant Banerjee. You're watching Automania. Signing off. Ta-da.